Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how to add images to your Google Ads campaign step by step. First, log into your Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Once you are inside your dashboard, select the campaign or ad group where you want to add images. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Ads and Assets. In some account views, this section may be called Ads and Extensions. After that, click on the Assets tab at the top of the page. This is where you manage all additional elements that can improve your ads. Now click the blue plus button. A menu will appear. Select Image from the list. If this is your first time adding image assets, Google may ask you to complete advertiser verification. Follow the instructions if prompted. You now have several options. You can upload images directly from your computer. You can also enter your website URL and let Google scan your site for suitable images. Another option is to choose images from your asset library if you have uploaded them before. After selecting your images, you will have the option to crop them. Make sure they fit the recommended formats, such as square or landscape. Keep the images clear, high quality, and without too much text. Once everything looks good, click Save. That is how you add images to your Google Ads campaign. Thanks for watching.